So here we go, we're back at it. We took off this front foot, or sorry, we placed this foot here and we took it off the cradle off the front. This part here has not been sandblasted or sanded or touched. You can see here all the layers. So we had couple different browns, couple different blues, and then we turned into our interprotect, which we know is gray beige on top of white. I don't see any major defects. Something over here, look at that. So some watertight over that. After we come through here, we're going to sand any other defects. Some watertight here, watertight again. Make that smooth, and then we'll build it back up again. So this is what the boat originally looked like. This is how we started. No idea what was underneath, how many coats, what quality, what kind. It's just strip, go, guess. And you just figure it out as you work through. That's the biggest issue generally people have, is what's on my boat. Again, this is what was on this boat. This is kind of at the step that we're at now for most of it. We're going to bring this up to speed today. We'll hopefully be able to do 2 coats of interprotect on this after about an hour of just sanding this part off. So here's that spot again, now freshly painted. It's got a nice bug stuck in there. I'll take him out or her next time. And yeah, well, there's a drip I gotta go pick up. And then the rest of the boat is just rinse and repeat. We take a look out. It's got one original coat everywhere of interprotect. This spot is anti-fouled ahead of time because we finished that first so we could drop it, use our hardware up front, restart over there. Tomorrow we're gonna come gray all over, front to back. I let it dry, and then white again on top of the gray. That's gonna give us 5 coats. This has all been mostly sanded, 80 grit. I'm gonna come ferret down a little bit more, probably right now actually, before I leave for the day. So when I come next time, we can go right to paint. That is it there, interprotect, alternating colors, for no real purpose other than so we can understand down the road what we're looking at if we have to look under the anti-foul again. You could do all the same color. That would anger some people, but such is life these days. There's no right answer for everybody. This is one way to do it. Works really well. Have a nice day. Ciao.